This is an unboxing of 8-foot bamboo stakes from Hydrofarm. I paid full price. How long is the box? Exactly 8 feet so far, so good. How do they ship it? 2 boxes taped together. How are these packed? Some people have complained that the stakes are not actually 8 feet, or they haven't received 25. Let's take a look. Eight feet. I counted, there are exactly 25 stakes. They are not packed with all the same size at one end, as in the wider on one end. The width looks pretty good. Some people say the ends are too small, but the small ends I see here, if you were to pull them all the way out, the other side would be larger. So they're simply alternated in some cases. I did notice a few have a little bit of stripping on the ends. The two I'm showing right here are the worst of it. But besides those two, everything looks to be in really good condition, and I'll be able to use those two as well. So I'm very happy with my purchase.